Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Telegram. So first, you need to install the Telegram app. Open either the App Store or Google Play and search for Telegram. Find the app with the paper airplane logo and install. After that, open it. Now, enter your phone number. After flipping through the welcome screen, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Telegram will immediately send you a text message with a 4-digit code to verify that it's your real number. Enter the code into the app to continue. Now add your name and a picture. Telegram lets users create their own profile, complete with name and picture. Enter this information to continue. Now find a friend with Telegram. Telegram can automatically search your contacts for friends who use Telegram if you grant the app permission to access your address book. When you tap the Contact tab at the bottom left of the screen, Telegram will show a list of your friends who use Telegram, followed by contacts currently not signed up for the app. You can send an invite to join a chat by tapping on a friend's name that's not yet using Telegram. Now, you can start a regular chat. Select a friend who has a Telegram account to start a new chat. Similar to WhatsApp, other traditional texting apps, there's a text field at the bottom of the screen that's used to type messages. You can send a photo, web image, video, documents, contact, or your current location. Unlike most messaging apps, Telegram lets you send a wide range of information to your friends. Tap the paperclip icon next to the chat text field and choose the type of information you want to send. You can choose to immediately take a photo or video, or select one from your library. There's also an option to search the web for an image, which opens a search prompt that shows only image results. And then, adjust your chat background. In the Settings tab at the bottom right in the app, you can choose an image for your chat backgrounds. Telegram has a large selection of images to choose from, allowing you to customize the look and feel of your chats. There is also the option to select an image from your photo library to use a background for a more personal touch. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.